You'd think with the gravimetric warp drive installed, the loading screens would take less time, because you know we can get there quicker, but I guess not. Guess I'll just have to settle with that. Actually, maybe it was quicker a little bit. Irony, okay. Right. Starship Phoenix. Attack mode. Yep. No new weapons, didn't think so. Okay, which should I use? This is good. Ninjas of Death. Yeah, this place is cool. This place is very cool when it's under attack, because it's just cool. You'll see. There's a whole section of the ship you can only go through once, and that's why it's cool. At least for me it is. Right. You are really good at dodging this weapon. Do you know that? Like, really good. Damn it. God. Yes! Need to upgrade weapon. Whoa, that was good. Damn, this is powerful now. It's pretty much the way to upgrade this thing. Camera. Okay, there we go. I was gonna say, Jesus, can it be a bit kinder? This is very close to upgrading. I'm gonna use this a bit more. Jesus. Ah! Holy crap, I'm nearly dead. And that's why this place is difficult, especially if you're trying to upgrade weapons only. Can I hit them from here? Totally can. If I can get away with this. I can. Oh! I thought it was much further. I thought it was much closer than it actually was. I got scared there. I really did. Where is it? Ah! Okay. How many more are there? I can upgrade this right here, right now. And I plan on doing so. Actually, is this way open? That's probably locked. It'll be interesting. Nah, it's locked. Okay. Yeah, yeah, this section. Normally, of course, you have the lift. Not there anymore, for obvious reasons. Main one being it's completely destroyed. But yeah, it's still quite interesting, I think. Boom. Done.
The Gadgetron splitter rifle is the galaxy.
Okay, let's use something else. Yeah, let's use the Quack Array just to see if I can upgrade this a little bit. Nope. Cool. Yep. Dead. Thought so. I am trying to upgrade weapons only, so that's why. Wow, one of the Galactic Rangers survived. I don't think this ever happened to me before. I sort of wish he didn't survive, because he's destroying the enemies for me. This actually does quite well against them. It's impressive. These guys will get stuck on the stairs again. Okay, maybe they won't. They get stuck on the stairs if you don't go near them, it turns out. This thing could actually upgrade as well. This place is quite good for upgrading. Not that I'm complaining, but you know, just observing. It's always good to upgrade, right? Is that everyone? I think so. Hi! Hi, gentlemen. Guys, people. Come at me, bros. Okay, then don't. I'll come to you. Okay, I'm gonna need a bit of backup plan for these guys. Like this, for example. Yeah, that went quite well. Holy crap, bolts in heaven. So many bolts. Although the next planet we go to, I'm pretty sure, is much better for bolts. Like, if you're in challenge mode, you can get 1,000,000 bolts. Easily. I kid you not. What am I missing? Do I have to hit something up here? Oh, it's a reflector beam. Okay. I didn't see that at all. Catching it's refractor, sorry, not reflector. My mistake. There we go. Yeah, this is why I love this place, because you can only come here once, and it's a bit annoying because I like this area of the ship, but it's still cool. With that said, I do think I've glitched through the thing before, so I've made it through here before, and I actually get stuck completely. So it's not that exciting. Not as exciting as you'd hope, anyway. When you glitch through the thing, you'd think, oh yeah, great. What do I do here? How do I experience this to the fullest potential? You can't. Hey look, it's almost like there are some ninjas behind there or something. Hello ninjas. Almost didn't see you. Meh. So close to leveling up. Oh well.
You certainly took your sweet time.
Hey, it's good to see you too. Everyone okay?
We're fine. You made it just in time.
Any luck with the data disk?
Huh. Luck, he says.
Al cracked the encryption. The disk contains a complete copy of Nefarious' battle plan. He's going to attack planet after planet, leaving nothing but robots in his wake. The Biobliterator is so well protected, Nefarious doesn't believe we can stop it.
Can we?
I estimate our odds at approximately 1 in 63 million, give or take.
Hey, that's, well, you know, not so bad.
The Biobliterator is programmed to recharge its power cells after each attack.
It's recharging at a base on planet Koros right now. And Ratchet, the next target is Veldin.
Wow, he's certainly got that shocked look down to a T. Oh well. Damn, you work fast in this place. Okay, let's see if I can glitch this thing again. Damn. I don't know how I did it, I really don't. You have to do it at the exact same time or something, and if you do it right, you charge as it closes and you can get out in time. I don't know how I did it. I literally don't remember. Bender. Thank you. To Koros.